Koata, me tui tātou.
Everybody go like that. Yeah, cool. So in some cultures that's quite rude, and Ngāti Koata's culture, that's how you hold a tuatara, yep? It stops the head from turning, but it also stops it from jumping forward. Everybody show me something, tuatara love. So what's the danger?
We meet up with matua Mike, who explained to us more about the guardianship that tuatara have, just all the information about their upuko with their third eye, about the different temperatures on what the make and the gender of the tuatara would be, and how much of a guardian that they are in Te Ao Māori, and they are creatures that live for up to hundreds of years, and just being able to be in the presence of something like that, the knowledge through tuatara that can be passed down through the generations of that, I thought was just crazy, mind-blowing. Holding it in my hand was calming. It was just super calm. I mean, I felt the coldness of the tuatara, but I also felt her breathe. Her name was Kowhai. I felt her breathe in my hands. I knew that when someone would pet her, she would breathe a little faster than usual, so maybe you just let her sit there. And then there was a moment where she was trying to wriggle around and find the warmth in my hand.
So also another really cool thing about the tuatara is they have a third eye, and we believe that third eye is the eye that connects them to the spiritual realm. And I think that's something that we can learn from tuatara and how to grow our connection to our tupuna and our ancestors like that.
Oreira, kai ngā matua, kai ngā kraua, kai ngā kuia. E ki tēnā hau, e tahi tamaiti paku nei. Ka puta ake ia, kia rui ake ia, ki te ao marama, tuku mai ki Mana Rangatahi. E mahi ai ia, e Māori ia, e tū Māori nei, I roto I tana o Māori. Tēnā tā.
Tumatara! Hei! Te pai a matariki! Hei! Tumatara! Hei! Ngāti ki pāka e atamahau! Hei! Tumatara! Hei! Maha ki kāte kaungau! Hei! Tumatara! Hei! Tatatai whenua! Hei! Pakai o whenua! Tumatara! Hei! Tupatanga!
One of my favourite things is going on to waiata, because when we go on it and we all paddle together, it feels really cool that we're all combining our strength to paddle te waiata.